Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the Spidi CARBO 1 gauntlet gloves. Retail, as of the time we're filming this video, is $199 for the CARBO 1 gloves. Please understand the prices can change. They can go up, they can go down. This is a full gauntlet glove. It uses a combination of goat skin, right? 0.7 millimeter thick goat skin in the palm. Got some Clarino overlays. And then on the back of the hand, 0.7 millimeter thick cowhide. Sizing. I have on a 2X right now. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. This glove, it's a little snug. It feels like it's going to break in, but you're going to have to invest the time in breaking it. So I would say they run just a little bit to the small side, okay? If you know you're close, you're borderline, and you want your gloves to have a little more operating room inside, I'd say go up one size. You know, if you get a large and that's normally your size, but you need to invest in breaking them in, with this glove, you might want to consider going up to the extra large. I think you're going to get a better fit. Use that information along with the size chart to help choose the best possible fit for yourself. Let's talk about the CARBO 1 and really who it's right for, who this is designed for. Full leather chassis, right? Carbon knuckle protector, abrasion resistance, some impact resistance built into it. It doesn't have a palm slider on it. There's some foam behind that to manage impact, and either a goat skin or a leather overlay there, but no real palm slider. When I look for a track glove, I'm going to look for something on the palm that does have a slider. Just encourage sliding in the event of a crash. More abrasion resistant, can protect, you know, your wrist, shoulder, help prevent a tumble. I think it's a relevant accessory for a full gauntlet glove. So I don't see that here. With that said, if you're the type of rider, you're going to do some street riding, you want a good, durable, thick gauntlet that's using nice internal stitching, good quality, maybe do a couple track days here and there, yeah, this glove could be the right glove for you. The quality is certainly high. A lot of the protection features and benefits. They've got some ventilation built in, some perforation between the fingers, some motion panel here on your control fingers. I like that. Lots of dexterity at the wrist. It wears really nice in that area. So it's got that kind of all day long comfort, you know, a little lighter in that area than we'd see from some of the heavier racing gloves. Got an overlay here in Clarino, little silicone grip panels. Leather overlay there. That's just going to help the glove wear longer. That's the point where you contact the bars. Clarino overlay there. Safety strap here at the wrist. Gauntlet adjustment, just single stage here with Velcro. Quality of the glove looks really good. Really like that part. Protection for the back of the hand. We've got some foam there to help manage impact. Nice carbon knuckle protector. It does have some foam behind it as well in the event of impact to help disperse and manage that. So I like it. I like the internal stitching because that simply offers more integrity, more abrasion resistance. That's really probably the biggest up feature of this glove. I would lean more towards street riding with some entry-level track if you're going to choose the CARBO 1.